Alright, hi guys. I'm just going to go over a little bit of review of how you solve your multi-step equations. I know some people might have forgotten, so this video is for you. So I've got my 4 steps up at the top of my page here. Remember the order of our steps. The first thing you do is distribute. So that should be automatically the first thing that you do. You distribute, meaning you multiply the outside of the parentheses into everything inside. Step 2 is to combine like terms if they are there. Sometimes they're not. Step 3 is to move all of your letters to one side. So move variables to one side. And then your final step is just to solve like normal, like it's a normal 1 or 2 step equation that's left. So let's look at one of each, one with all the letters on one side, and then one where the variables are on both sides. So the first one right here, the first thing you do, step 1, is distribute. So we have it right here. So if you forgot, it means you are multiplying 2 into both things inside the parentheses. So 2 times x plus 2 times 5, and copy down everything else that's in the equation. From here, combine anything that looks like each other. So it looks like I have 2 x's. So I'm going to circle them with the sign in front so I know what I'm doing to them. So 2 plus 3 x, copy down everything else that we did not touch. And now we have our 2-step equation. So remember our rules. You want to undo the operation, do the opposite of what's happening here. Our goal is to get that x by itself. So let's get rid of plus 10 first. Subtract 10 from both sides. Okay. Now we've got 5x equals 10, or 5 times x, do the opposite. So my answer should be 2. Alright, so when you see your practice problems, this is exactly what you do if you have a variable on just one side. So let's look at an example of where we have a variable on both sides. So again, the first thing you do is distribute. It's right here. Need to make sure I do that step first. Alright, negative 2 times y plus negative 2 times 10. Now, this is where some people get confused because of the double sign. Well, if you think of what is a negative times a positive, that automatically becomes our minus, or negative 2 times just positive 10 is negative 20. So make sure you think that through. Think about your signs. Copy down everything else that's there. Now, there are not any like terms on either side. They are on opposite sides here. So we skip down to step 3. Move your variables to one side. So again, it doesn't matter which one you move as long as you follow the rules. So I've got a negative 2 here. I need to do the opposite to make it 0 on this side. So if I add 2, those two are 0. Add 2. Okay, so I've got 8y plus 12 equals, now this is tricky, I've got a minus sign in front of my 20. Make sure you bring down both pieces. Okay, now you have your 2-step equation to solve, so make sure you, again, follow your rules. Undo a plus 12, make it 0, that's what should be going through your head. Okay, that's 0. Negative 20 minus 12. Now think about this. You are going to be going left on the number line. So this should be a negative 32. Undo multiplication with division. And your answer is negative 32 divided by 8 is negative 4. All right. If you need any other help or have any other questions on certain problems, never hesitate to send me a picture or screenshot through Remind or through email or Google Classroom, or just type in a comment into Google Classroom and I will get back to you guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. See you later. Bye.